Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer money from Canara Bank to SBI in 2025. Whether you're sending money to a family member, paying bills, or just managing your finances, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and hassle-free. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring funds like a pro. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your Canara Bank account set up with online banking or the mobile app. You'll also need the SBI account details of the recipient, like their account number and IFSC code. This is crucial for a smooth transfer. In 2025, banking apps have gotten even more user-friendly, so let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Open your Canara Bank mobile app or log in to their net banking website. Enter your credentials securely. Remember, always use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for safety. Step 2. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Fund Transfer or Payments section. Look for options like NEFT, RTGS, or IMPS. For quick transfers, IMPS is usually the best choice as it's instant and works 24/7. Step 3. Add the beneficiary if it's your first time. Click on Add Beneficiary and enter the SBI account details, account number, name, and IFSC code. Verify the information carefully to avoid any errors, as this might take a few hours to approve. Step 4. Now, select the beneficiary from your list, enter the amount you want to transfer, and add any necessary remarks. Double-check everything before hitting Confirm. Step 5. Review the transaction details, including fees if any. Transfers between banks might have a small charge. Once you're good, authorize the payment with your OTP or biometrics. And that's it, your money should be in the SBI account within minutes for IMPS or a few hours for NEFT. Keep an eye on your transaction history to confirm. A quick tip. Always check for any bank-specific updates in 2025, as features might change. If you run into issues, contact customer support right away. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay smart with your money. See you next time.